Hi kids, do you like violence? You want to see me make some eyeballs? I got these styrofoam balls from Walmart. I think it's been a long time, I don't know. And as you can see from my very clear demonstration here, I will be making eyeballs out of these styrofoam balls. Yes, eyeball balls. This looks inappropriate, but I am just trying to tell you how I will cut the ball in half to stick it on my face later. And this is how it sounds. Did you like that? Did you like that, you sick, twisted person, you? For visual purposes, this is the one ball cut in half, and I would like to pet it, please. Thank you. She's a fruit fly. Bzzz. I tried to make eye holes with an X-Acto blade. That did not go over so well, so I had to resort to some more drastic measures. I love the sound of bones cracking under pressure. That's just a half-inch drill bit. I wasn't actually gonna use a drill on styrofoam, guys, come on. And that's what the eyes look like before I painted them. I put my finger in the eye hole and painted it with my airbrush machine, in which I put yellow Maron liquid makeup and Maron mixing liquid, and then I painted the eye hole red with Maron liquid makeup in red, and I brushed that on. I painted them in the middle of me doing my look because I am what they call a professional procrastinator. And that's what they look like all painted. And then I just applied some liquid latex to the flat parts, attached it to my face, and the eyes were done. If you're interested in how I created the other parts for this look, you can check the links in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.